Hi, I'm Hendravanto. No worries, I also never heard of myself before. Some of you in this group may know that I'm quite a knife nerd or knife nut or whatever you want to call it. I collect knives, I use knives, I'm a private chef, I'm a caterer, I just love to cook food for people, and fortunately people are willing to pay to pay me for it. And if it's all good, you have a fried ice cream.
Oh my god. You could put another one here.
Your face.
Amazing.
More than 100 people in this group saw me post a new knife day post about my latest purchase. It's a Nigara Hamono knife, and it's the so-called Troll Killer. Yeah, I didn't buy it for the name, obviously. I do expect it to glow blue when any trolls are around my house, but no, I bought it because I am a sucker for demis. The box is probably half the fun of buying, well, maybe not half the fun, but it's part of the knife buying experience. I love it when they come in beautiful boxes like this. And this particular box for this particular knife, yeah, it sure has style in my opinion. First of all, look at that handle. Just look at this handle. I had to do some research about who actually made this handle. When I bought it from Meesterslijpers here in Amsterdam, it was not specified who was the maker of this handle. And I mean, yeah, I think it deserves a little bit of credit. So I asked Meesterslijpers. They told me that this particular handle was made by the woodworker of the agent of Hamono. They couldn't give me his name, or they didn't want me to know his name, and he's only making handles in-house. They want to offer their knives with custom handles. They also told me that he probably at a certain day is planning to sell handles, knife handles like this, under his own name, but as for now, he only makes handles in-house. We probably want to see the knife now. Okay, here we go. Psych. Of course, there's still some more paper around it. But without further ado, here we go. Wow. 250 layers of steel. I can actually see that. I love this. I just love it. Wow. It's Awagami Super, which is probably my favorite steel. It has great edge retention. You can make the edge like scary sharp. It's quite easy to sharpen as well. And for a 240mm Gyuto, it's actually pretty light and nimble. I love how it has this straight belly, but then, you know, it curves up a bit. It's not really a round belly, so fits my cutting style very well because I use a lot of push cut, slice cut. I'm not so much a rocker. I'm cutting a lot of veggies. Every one of these knives are singularly unique. Quite a collector's piece, very rare, very extremely limited, as well as an excellent performing knife. So I've been using this now for a couple of weeks, and yeah, it cuts. I own my fair share of amazing gyutos, but this one definitely jumps right at the top of all my gyutos I own, which is actually the first knife that I bought from Nigara Hamono, and I immediately decided to jump to the flagship. Probably the most luxurious and high-end line they are making, the Troll Killers. It is definitely not a Honyaki. It is very loud, but it's damn fucking beautiful.